My name is Gavin Daly. I never got to meet my grand-aunt Nikki. In honor of her mom, my great-grandma, Julie Benedict, who died a year and a half ago, I'm going to read the words from the song, The Bluebird of Happiness. This song was very important to my grandma Julie, and I know that she would want you to hear these words. The beggar man and his mighty king are only different in name, for they are treated just the same by fate. Tomorrow a smile and tomorrow tears, we're never sure what's in store. So learn your lesson before too late, so be like I. Hold your head up high till you find the bluebird of happiness. You will find greater peace of mind knowing there's a bluebird of happiness. And when he sings to you, though you're deep in blue, you'll see a ray of light creep through. And so remember this, life is no abyss. Somewhere there's a bluebird of happiness. The poet with his pen, the peasant with his plow, it makes no difference who you are, it's all the same somehow. The king upon his throne, the jester at his feet, the actress, artist, the man on the street. It's a life of smiles and a life of tears. It's a life of hopes and the life of fears. A blinding torrent of rain and a brilliant burst of sun. A biting, tearing pain and bubbling, sparkling fun. And no matter what you have, don't envy those you meet. It's all the same, it's in the game, the bitter and the sweet. And if things don't look so cheerful, just show a little fight. For every bit of darkness, there's a little bit of light. For every bit of hatred, there's a little bit of love. For every cloudy morning, there's a midnight moon above. So don't you forget, you must search till you find the bluebird of happiness. You will find peace and contentment forever. If you believe like I, hold your head up high till you see a ray of light. And so remember this. Life is no abyss. Somewhere there's a bluebird of happiness.